Welcome back to Nagesh Kharasgi Orchid School channel. You are watching Welcome you all to Nagesh Kharasgi Orchid School channel. Welcome back to Nagesh Kharasgi Orchid School channel, exclusive class for you. Children, I hope you are settled with literacy skill book. Yes, in the previous session we have started with new content, which is days of the week. Okay, so children, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days are there in a week. Those are, come on, tell me, those are Monday, yes, Tuesday, yes, next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. How many days are there? Total in a week 7 days are there. Yes. Okay. So children, there are some more content. Today we are going to learn one new content, which is months of the year. For that, take your literacy skill book and come to page number 8585. Children, before we start months of the year, come to page number 8484. Okay. What is this? It is looking like a rainbow. Yes. So what you are going to do is color the rainbow. Okay. So children, you know the colors of rainbows, right? Rainbow के कितने colors होते हैं? 7. Many colors are there in a rainbow, right? Many colors are there in a rainbow. So multicolors are there, right? So what you are going to do is, here if you will see, the days of the week are 7 and those are, come on, repeat after teacher, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now children, what you are going to do is, here in each day you are going to color it as a rainbow. Okay. रेनबो की जैसे आपको हर एक दिन को कलर करना है और उसका जो लुक है, इट शुड बी लुक लाइक अ रेनबो. ओके. एंड on which day you are going to color it, you have to write the day. उस जो आप ये कंप्लीट करोगे ना, उस दिन का जो नाम रहेगा, जो डे रहेगा, you have to write over here. Okay. Now come to page number 8585. Come on, have you opened this page? 8585. Okay. Now children, months of the year. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, total how many days are there in a week? 7 days are there. We have learned days of the week. Like that, we have months of the year. Okay. तो पूरे साल में, एक साल होता है ना, तो उस पूरे साल में कितने months होते हैं? 12. जैसे कि एक पूरा वीक होता है और उस वीक में 7 days होते हैं, right? But here in full year, पूरे एक ईयर में, पूरे साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12 months होते हैं. जैसे डेज के हमने नाम सीखे हैं, वैसे ही हम लोग अभी ईयर में जो मंथ्स आते हैं ना, उसके नाम सीखने वाले हैं. We have learned the names of what? We have learned the names of days. Okay, so today we are going to learn the names of months which comes in a year. So children, there are 12 months in a year. Total year में कितने months होते हैं? 12 months. So children, total there are 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months are there in a ईयर. ओके. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हर एक मंथ का नाम है. ओके. जो ईयर है ना, उस ईयर में टोटल 12 महीने हैं. 12 मंथ्स आ जाए, तो उस हर एक मंथ का नाम है. बट डू यू नो, हर एक मंथ में डेज भी है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, अभी ये जो है जनवरी. ओके. तो जनवरी में कितने दिन आते हैं? 31 डेज आते हैं. जनवरी में कितने दिन आते हैं? 31. माने महीना एक है, लेकिन उसमें कितने दिन है? 31 days are there. Okay. Next month will be February. After January, which month will come? February. But in that month, again there are different days. How many days will come? Either 28 or 29 days will come in the month of February. Okay, but before what we have learned, in the month of January, 31 days will come. Okay, so ऐसे हर एक मंथ में, हर एक जो मंथ है ना, उस मंथ के दिन अलग अलग आने वाले हैं. कभी 31 आएंगे, कभी 30 आएंगे, कभी 28 आएंगे, कभी 29 आएंगे, कभी 30 आएंगे या फिर कभी 31 आएंगे. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये जो साइकिल है ना मंथ्स की, ये जो पूरे मंथ की साइकिल है वो आपको याद रखनी है अच्छी तरीके से. ओके, रिपीटेडली यू आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस. जैसे हमने डेज ऑफ द वीक पढ़े हैं ना, वो जो 7 डेज का साइकिल हमने पढ़ा है, सेम वे यू आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस. यू आर गोइंग टू कीप रिमेंबर दिस साइकिल ऑफ मंथ्स, होल ईयर साइकिल ऑफ मंथ्स. पूरे मंथ में कितने मंथ्स आते हैं अलॉन्ग विद देयर नेम्स and days, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay children, so आपको ये बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. In a day you can read twice or thrice. Okay children, so आपको ये याद रहेगा. Come to next month. After February, which month will come? March. Okay, now in the month of March, how many days are there? 31. So children, I will write the numbers here. Number 1, January month. Number 2, February month. Number 3, March month. After March month, which month will come? April. April, number 4. So in the month of April, how many days will come? How many days are there? 30 days are there. Okay, January 31 days, February 28 or 29 days. After February, number 3, which month? March. In the month of March, 31 days are there. After March, which month will come? Number 4 is April month. 4th month is April, and the days are 30. After April, number 5, May, May, and in the month of May, how many days are there? 31 days are there. Okay, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, now after May, which month will come? Number 6, June. Yes, number 6. And in the month of June, how many days are there? There are 30 days are there in the month of June. Okay, now June, June. After June, which month will come? July, July. Okay, so in that, how many days are there? 31 days are there. And which month is this? July. And number of month is after 6, 7th. 7th is July month. Okay. Next, after July, 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 August, August, August. So in the month of August, how many days are there total? 31. Sorry. So number 8 will be August month. Okay. After August month, which month is there? Try to read, come on. September. September. August, September. इसको हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, September. We should not say like this. Okay, this is the silent word. So you have to say September. So this will be number 9. And in the month of September, how many days are there, children? Come on, read this. Yes, 30 days. After September, come to downside. January, come on, repeat after teacher. January, February, look the numbers also. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. After September, number 10. Which month is there? October. And in the October month, how many days are there? 31. In the month of October, total 31 days are there. Okay, after October, which month is this? November. So write here number 11. In the month of November, total 30 days are there. And the last month of year, which is December. हम लोग 31st को सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं ना, 31st दिसंबर को न्यू ईयर का सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ना. So this will be, how many days are there in the month of December? 31 days. Write here number 2, 1 to 12. So 1, 2, 1 January. Come on, repeat after teacher. 1 January, 2 February, 3 March, 4th April, 5th May, 6th June, 7th July, 8th August, 9th September, 10th October, 11th November, and 12th December. So in a year, how many months are there? Total 12 months are there. Okay children, so till here have you understood? Yes. Now come to page number 8686. Yes, take your pencil and sharpen your pencil now. Now children, we are going to write the names of the month which comes in a year. Can you see this box? This is a practice sheet. Write the names of the months of the year. What we are going to write? In a month, total 12 months are there. In a year, total 12 months are there. So those we are going to write here. Repeat after teacher. Practice. Write the names of the months of the year. Okay children. Now first, which month will come? Come on, tell me. Yes, write here. January. 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 Next, February. February. January, February, March, March, March. Now children, this is sequence, no? Number first in the year, number 1 is January month, number 2 February, number 3 March, number 4, come on, tell me the name of month. Yes, April. Very good. Right here, April. 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 After April, which month will come? After April, which month will come? January, February, March, April, May. M-A-Y, May. Say and write January, February, March, April, May, and after May, which month will come? Yes, right here, June, June. After June month, number 7, which month will come? July. Very good. You can see back side page also. आप पीछे भी देख के आंसर कर सकते हो मुझे. No problem in that. July. Now children, after July, number 8, which month is there? Name of the month is August. 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 Say and write AUGUST. August. After August, number 9th, which month will come? January, yes, February, March, April, May, June, July, August and September. 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 Now children, here also while reading the words, while reading the names of months, आपको क्या करना है? छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में आपको रीड करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट से जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, September. After September, which day will come? Sorry, which month will come? After September? Yes, October. OCTO. BER. October. Okay, so after October, 11th month will be November. Right here, NOVEMBER. November. 11th month will be November. Okay, and after November, which month will come? Last. हम लोग न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, that is month of December. 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 Repeat after teacher now. I hope till here you have completed. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, now children, come to page number 87. I hope till here you have completed. Now children, what is this? Fill in the blanks. Here one practice sheet there, so we are going to solve this. Okay, now first if you will see dash dash comes after November. Okay, now children see, आप क्या करो, पीछे के पेज में जाइए और आंसर देखिए. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. दिसंबर कम्स आफ्टर नवंबर. नवंबर जो मंथ है उसके बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? दिसंबर. DECEMBER. दिसंबर. ओके, नवंबर के बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? दिसंबर. दिसंबर कम्स आफ्टर नवंबर. ओके, Now number 2, July comes before which month? August. August के पहले कौन सा मंथ आता है? जुलाई. पढ़ो चलो, याद करो. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त. तो जुलाई कम्स बिफोर. अगस्त के पहले कौन सा मंथ आता है? जुलाई, है ना. नंबर 3, डैश डैश कम्स आफ्टर सितंबर. सितंबर मंथ के बाद क्या आता है? कम ऑन. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर. अक्टूबर कम्स आफ्टर सितंबर. सितंबर मंथ के बाद क्या आएगा? अक्टूबर. OCTOBER. October. Okay children, now these two will be your homework. Okay, so you have to complete at your home. Write here HW. Now children, take your English literacy subject workbook. So I hope you have opened this page. Months of the year. Complete the words to name the months of the year. यहाँ पे already कुछ words दिए गए हैं, but before some space is blank, and also here one helping box is there. So you have to recognize the name of the month, and you have to complete the full year. Full this worksheet you have to complete this. So this will be your HW. Yes. Now children, after this HW, come to page number 3737, 3636. Okay, come to page number 3636, because in the previous session only page number 34 and 35 homework has been given to you. Okay, so this is your homework. Short A sound. Write the names of the picture from the help box. Here one help box is there. You have to recognize the picture and write the name. Okay, after that come to page number 3737. Find the rhyming words and draw a line across them. One example has been given. Okay, so same way you are going to do this. So this will be your HW. Two examples are there. जो rhyming words है ना, उसको आपको क्या करना है? टैक्सी. यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है देखिए. Find the rhyming words and draw a line across. जो भी rhyming words मिलेंगे आपको, उसके ऊपर आपको लाइन करना है. Like example here, jam, dam, cut, bean. But इन चारों में से rhyming words कौन से हैं? Jam, dam. तो यहाँ पे ऐसी क्रॉस लाइन दी गई है ना. Same way you have to complete this worksheet. Okay, all of you. So children, today we have learned months of the year. Okay, I hope you understand the content. Okay, and which homework I gave you, those homework you have to complete at your home. Okay, so we are concluding over here. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you everyone.